Yo, what up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We are back. You already know who it is.
Back at it.
Back on it with another video. Always dropping bangers when we film with Danny. You already know.
Here.
We got the G80 and the F80. Me and Danny are wearing matching or opposite outfits.
Right.
He's wearing black, I'm wearing the white. We got the whips back there. So we are at a Supercar social meet today. We're gonna go check out some Supercars. Obviously our cars didn't make the cut, but it's all good. We're gonna get you guys some more content here on a beautiful Saturday. More lifestyle vlogs for you guys. You guys killed the last time we made a video together, so we're gonna keep running it up. As always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe.
Stay tuned. We got a lot of content for you guys.
Facts. Follow us both on Instagram, and yeah, let's get into this video. We got a Nosatec Piggy Bank wrap Supra with the ESR star wheels. This thing is hella clean. You only see this wrap kind of like online on Instagram, but this thing looks sick in person. We got another A90 or A91 with the Street Hunter design TJ Hunt wing.
Super clean.
Super clean. All right, without even going anywhere, this is already my favorite car here, and I don't even know if anything's gonna be able to top it. We have a M-Spec NER R34 GTR, legal in the States. This guy has had it for a couple of years now. Danny met him at a meet before. This thing is baller. It's a beautiful spec. I'll show you guys all around. This thing is probably worth over $500,000 easily. Shout out to Paul Walker. This thing is beautiful. Even sitting next to the R8 that just pulled in, which is one of my dream cars. I would say this is probably up there as one of my top dream cars that we might not be able to afford one day. Moving right along to the front, I don't know if you can beat that front end, especially for a classic JDM legend car right here. God damn. Check out the insane, I forget the name of these mirrors. And then the interior is so clean. So clean. Here's the owner right here. This thing is a beautiful spec. I think it's the best car here. Look at those wheels. Here's the more obtainable dream car. Maybe 2 cars from the F80 will be in an R8. Stay tuned. You guys gotta speak it into existence and things will happen in life. That's how it goes. But we have a bunch of Lambos pulling in. Got an Aventador. This is probably the dream car after the R8. And then we have an SV somewhere over here. We'll show you really shortly. We have 2 insane cars rolling in. We have a SV Aventador. This is probably my dream car after the R8. Gotta love a Lamborghini V12. And then we have an air-cooled Porsche behind that sounds absolutely insane. And then it's just Lambo. But this car sounds insane. We got JC on the channel. What up, boy? We're back with Chris. Look at this thing. That's sick. Alright, we got Porsches, a couple old Raris. This 570 or sorry 600 LT sounds insane. We got an STO. This is sick. Avis STO. What?
Avis. Oh.
So yeah, this car rolled in. Not even sure what it is, but definitely a dope race car. You saw the doors go up. What else we got? Lambo R8. Comment down below, guys. What's your favorite supercar brand? What are you taking home?
Clean.
GT3 for Danny. I can see that. RS6. Can't deny how nice the RS6s are. Bro, these things are just beasts.
Yeah.
I can see Danny in this car right here.
It's 3RS.
Spin the dream. GT3.
Forever.
Maybe manual. What else? Oh, damn. Damn. We're gonna take around this SVR, I believe.
DD,
Yeah, this looks like a DD spec. But look at this wing. I've never seen something like this. What the F? That is the most unique Lamborghini wing I've ever seen in my life. What do you guys think? Kind of looks like Bumblebee. Right? Every car looks like an animal, or transformer, but this is crazy. Definitely unique. Definitely on air. These wheels are AL13. They are sick. This thing is badass. Tovi Performance. I don't know where they are, but they brought a shit ton of cars.
Right.
That McLaren, STO, they're all Tovi Performance. Yeah, we got an SV. This is definitely on the top of my list. I love the Aventador platform.
That colorway is nice too.
It's sick. Gas Marina, Aventador. GT3. Another 720, I believe. It's a sick color. Hey,
OBC.
we got the whole Beamer lineup right here. I follow this dude. And then, yeah, I guess we missed the memo. Should have parked with the Beamers. Got a Stealth 488. One of my personal favorites, Godzilla R35 GTR. And yeah, we're gonna go take a look inside now. This is a Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, and Bentley dealership. Let's go. These things are like 500K or some shit.
Light?
Yeah, light. We got the Cullinan. I don't know. I'm taking a hella supercars over all of these cars probably. But don't get me wrong. But they ball it for sure. This is what you guys came to watch.
Carbon fibre.
This is Lambo heaven in here. Let me know what you guys like the most. We're gonna try to talk over the music. The mic's facing the other way, so I think we should be good. I gotta show you this lineup right here coming up on the left-hand side right here. We have not one STO, but we have another STO to match. And then my favorite car in here, SVJ. This thing is absolutely beautiful. I think this is my top dream car right here. And then we have another STO and a bunch of sick cars in here, as you guys can see. This shit is crazy, yo.
The wheels go crazy.
Yeah. Carbon, SV, Huracan. It's like Skittles in here, bro. Insane. Which one are you taking, Danny?
STO. One of the white STOs.
All right, Danny said he's taking one of the STOs. Fucking clean. I'm taking this one right here. I don't know about the white interior, but this shit, one of 800 right
That's
here. Crazy. Goals, baby, goals. A lounge area, we got a bar. We are in the showroom now, and oh my God.
V8 spec. That's V8 spec.
A black on black SVJ. All right, this one might take the cake over the white one over there in the showroom. This is definitely the F80 host spec. Just missing some, it has red accents in the interior, but it's missing the red interior and maybe some colored paint calipers. But yeah, this shit, Batman spec all day. And then you guys see right here, this Huracan is sold in the matte black. This place is nice. It's my first time at the Lambo dealership. You've been here before, what do you think?
Yeah, it's always a good time out here. There's always a ton of exotics.
Fire.
Best cars in Orlando for sure.
Facts. All right, tell them, Danny, what are we looking at?
I'm assuming this is like the premium leather choices that you can choose all different colors. You know, the world is your rainbow at this point.
This is the Rolls-Royce side, so this is probably the interior leather, of course. You guys can see all the different colors you can get inside. Absolutely
Dash
insane.
materials.
Yeah. One day, fam, we're gonna be shopping here.
One of these days.
You gotta speak it into existence, everybody. One day. All right, now we are walking to the Bentley side. Classy cars, classy cars. I don't think we're as classy enough to be driving these cars yet.
There's VH.
One of the BMWs, baby. Yeah. All these cars are like 400, 300 grand, which is insane.
Put a burble tune on.
Yeah. Our buddy that we talked to earlier that owns the R34, we might do a feature film on his car down the road, started this beast up. That's the man over there, Dennison. He's super cool. Me and Danny are now friends with him. And maybe one day we'll feature his R34 Nerve spec and M5 CS on the channel one day. He's letting kids drive the and rev the car. That's amazing. This kid doesn't care about exhaust in his face.
You don't like being hit? I just saw his shirt.
Went up his nostrils, right? Yeah.
Do it again.
That was fire. He's letting a kid rev. That's fire. This is insane. We have a cigar lounge over here. We have a GT4, another McLaren, a couple Porsches.
This is life, boys.
This is life.
This is Orlando.
This is a supercar life in Orlando. Nothing like California, of course, but we try. This thing is beautiful. Look at the interior. Shoo. Old turbo, that's hard. Air cooled, this thing is beautiful, bro. What's the car, Danny? What car are we taking so far?
Want them all.
Want them all?
One for every day of the week.
I saw this rolling in. This thing is absolutely beautiful.
BBSs.
Got the chrome BBSs. yellow cage. It sounded absolutely insane coming in here. This is Dennison, everybody, the owner of the R34 and the M5CS. We might feature him one day on the channel. He needs to go to VinWiki first, though. That wing is still the craziest wing ever. Catch some pullouts for you guys. Might as well. All right, if you guys know what this car is, leave it in the comment section down below. We got an old gen R8. Sounds amazing. Like everybody lined up here just watching everybody leave. This is sick meat. I'm definitely down to come back next month. This is fire. All right, that's gonna wrap it up.
Good day overall. Nice little sunset action. GTR pulling out.
Again, what's your favorite car of the meet so far?
The favorite car of the meet? Ooh, that's tough. I still gotta go with the white STO. I don't know why. It's like talking to me for some reason.
Comment down below. Should I get the other white STO to match Danny? Twinning? All right, so mine was probably the white SVJ or the black SVJ. We'll see.
Yeah, SVJs were hard. SVJs were hard.
That's gonna wrap it up for this meet. This is another dream car of mine. Wink, wink. Maybe one day. But yeah, beautiful meet. We were gonna go try to get some last minute content before the sun goes down, but we'll catch up with you guys back in the garage.
Several days later.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, me and my boy,
I'm trading in, guys. I'm done. Forget
me
BMW.
and the boy Danny are at a stance meet. We're gonna trade in our M3s for some stand style cars right here. But we are actually at Desertland Park in Orlando, which is where Beamer Invasion is. We are actually scoping it out because we are trying to bring back Orlando Beamer Club, which is a local BMW club or BMW group here, and we're trying to revitalize it and come up with events and areas that we can do that. And so we just met with one of the coordinators here at Desertland, and we'll show you around. And we're thinking about moving the Orlando Beamer Club meet and just, you know, the monthly meets to here. And yeah, that's why we're here having a meeting, and then we're scoping it out, and then we just stumbled upon this stance meet. So what are we doing? We traded in.
I'm trying to trade in. I mean, look, this thing's badass, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know. What you expect?
These cars are sick. So we just stumbled upon another group here in Orlando doing a show, and they're all stance cars, and they're giving out awards right now. You guys can see in the background. But we're gonna go check out some cars, and then we'll show you guys where we have in mind for, you know, hosting these events in the future. And it just goes well with how Beamer Invasion is already here, so it's gonna be a lot of hype, and people already know this amusement park, I guess you would say.
Right.
And so yeah, that's what we're trying to do, trying to bring back the BMW car scene in Orlando. So stay tuned. Not even sure what video this is gonna go into, but let's get into it. Got some Integras. Yo, these people go hard on their builds too, can't even deny. Shout out to all these car people, because at the end of the day, we're all car people.
Right, we don't discriminate.
Yeah, we don't discriminate. These things are kitted out, yo.
Check out this seat.
This thing's nice as fuck. This thing has literally the fucking Vegeta in the headlight.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. You ain't seeing no BMW with this. This is nice as fuck, yo. Got the Braum Vegeta sheets. Damn, son.
Shout out Red Dot.
Shout out, yeah, dude. This is where you don't give a F, and people don't judge you as hard as in the fucking
M-car
BMW world. Yeah, so judgmental BMW owners are. But this is sick. We'll show another car over here. That RX-7 right there is sick. He just won an award. And then yeah, we'll show you over here where we plan on having the car meet in the future. Look at this Camaro Thor livery. Again, you're not seeing this on any BMW around. This Acura is kitted out. Look at the steering wheel. I know for sure you guys have never seen a steering wheel like this. That Momo steering wheel is crazy, yo. Swing is crazy. Voltex Red Bull wing. And then this RX-7 just won an award.
Tough, boys, tough.
Hella tough, hella tough. Of course you're gonna win an award with an RX-7 here at the show.
Right.
But yeah, they're having an award ceremony right now. We crashing it. This is Desertland Park, where Beamer Invasion has been held for the last 2 years. This is where the burnout competition and exhaust competition were. This drift car is crazy. This Miata is wild.
I would daily it. So Envision, this is where we're thinking about having the monthly meets. So I think it's plenty of room. It's nice. We have a little cul-de-sac out here, and there's a little tiny gap right there where cars can drive in, and we're hoping that we can get cars to park as close as they can to the door. So if you guys recall, during Invasion, we had people all throughout here. I think the active tent was actually right there where you and me were parked.
Correct.
So
correct.
Overall, it's plenty of room.
Yep.
It's close to the inside location, so we can walk in.
Yep. And
Overall,
so we're taking you guys behind the scenes of, I guess, running a car club here in Orlando. We've been trying to revitalize this group for a couple months now, and you know, we've had some successful ones at shops and Ace Cafe, but Ace Cafe, for those locals that know, is closing down or is already closed. So we're basically trying to find a set place where we can host car events and car meets each month and just have a group of BMWs and other people, you know, come hang out, but also enjoy Desertland Park, which is a huge amusement park here that has arcades, bowling, trampolines, go-karts. But yeah, this is the potential new permanent meeting spot for Orlando Beamer Club come August, or even in the summer if we can make it happen. All right, so now we are in the main building. This is where Invasion is held. This is where the indoor VIP cars are lined up. You guys will recall. We have go-karting and bumper cars to the right. There's an arcade over there. But essentially, we're just trying to have a one-stop shop where people can have a car meet similar to Invasion, but also come with their families, their kids, and provide, you know, a source of entertainment, of course. So we're scoping it out, and hopefully we can make something happen in the summertime or in the fall, but we'll keep you guys updated, of course. And then obviously we have Beamer Invasion next February, so we'll see you guys there for sure. And this is where the indoor VIP showroom is for Invasion. So yeah, you guys have definitely seen this before on a lot of videos. I actually think this room is so dark and the lighting is terrible, so I think parking out here is better, or outside, when it comes to that event. But shout out to the Invasion guys for putting it on each year. I love them. They're my homies, they're my bros. But yeah, this place is literally the coolest, one of the coolest places in Orlando that you can come with friends, kids. They're trying to become the largest car mecca in Orlando. And the cool thing about this place is they actually have a lot of actual vehicles and props from movies. We have my favorite section, the James Bond 007 section, and there's a tank in here. A legit tank. And then if they have a bunch of cars from like Fast and Furious that were actually in the movie. Right out front here, we also have a potential area where we can park some cars out front. Super dope. So yeah, you guys heard it here first. We'll keep you guys updated in a future video, of course, with the progress, but we're out here making moves.
Coming back, baby.
Come back. The goal would eventually be to move out front here, because look at the backdrop with the murals in the background. We have Desertland. You guys saw I posted a couple posts here recently. Out front here with the roundabout and this little cul-de-sac is perfect for a car meet. Anything to say?
Yeah, just like we had said, I mean, having these murals as the backdrop is perfect, and this is the closest point to the bar, so.
Facts.